Good morning, students. Welcome to our online PHE class. Dear students, till now we discussed up to chapter 3. Now, today we discuss the new chapter, that is chapter 4. Name of the chapter is Physical Education and Sports for CWSN. CWSN, that means children with special need. Okay, so for that, students, how much benefit is there, how much systems are developed, that thing we will learn today. Okay, so first of all, we know that there are various types of disabilities are there. It may be mental disability, it may be deafness, it may be hearing problem, it may be language problem, it may be blindness, and any other brain injuries. So many types of problems are there. After happening, the students they just leads to a disability. Understand? There are so many types of disorders are there. Okay, children. So their main rights, or the main right, is to develop their ability in a democratic society. Okay, in the process of education. So for this, to identify the disability students, so many programs have been conducted by the government in different states and central government. They have implemented so many types of physical education programs like corrective physical education, remedial physical education, physical therapy, corrective therapy development, physical education, individual physical education, like so on. Okay, it is by the interest of government, by the interest of school management, or by the interest self interest of disability students, this type of education, physical education, implemented in school. So we know that everyone wants to be physically fit, mentally alert, socially well adjusted, and emotionally balanced. But some people, some students who are not, or who are unable to meet their desire due to disabilities or disorders. Disorders, we can say that, disabilities means inability to do the work due to some disorders, and disorders that cannot work efficiently. Understand? So disorders that disturbs the normal functioning of an individual's body part. Okay. So first of all, we must learn something about integrated physical education and adaptive physical education. There are two types of physical education: integrated physical education and adaptive physical education. So dear students, the learning topics are here to know about the aims and objectives of adaptive physical education, to know about organizations promoting adaptive sports, to understand the concept of inclusion, and to know about the roles of various professionals for children with special need. Okay, so let us to discuss about integrated physical education and adaptive physical education. Here it's written about physical education or sports for CWSN. Okay, then we will learn integrated physical education. That means in integrated physical education, one must have the knowledge of different subtopics and other utility so that the students could be trained properly. The knowledge of integrated physical education will promote the fitness and willingness of the individual nicely or very well. That means there is no difficulties, no any problem among the students. Integrated physical education means it is common to all for general students, and they learn, they have good memory power, they learn each and everything, and due to that process they will be developed, their body functioning of the body also developed, their mental power also developed, they are emotionally developed, each and everything that is developed in integrated physical education. But in adaptive physical education, many children who suffer from various types of disabilities like mental problem, deafness, blindness, speech problem, and any other. So many types of problems are there. For such children, special program or special physical education program may be organized in school or different organizations, so the physical, social, and emotional ability can be developed in them. Okay. After implementing this type of special type of physical education program, they are physically developed, they are socially developed, and they are emotionally also developed. But some principles are there how to just implement the adaptive physical education. Okay, the principles are for successful implementation of adaptive physical education, certain principles are there that may be kept in mind, such as medical test of the students, interest of the students, capacity of the students, appropriate equipments, proper environment, specific institutional planning, each and everything that must be kept in mind, because special type of guidance is needed for that type of children, that type of students. Okay, for taking them in any type of physical activities, we must kept in our mind these things: environment, proper planning, proper equipments, capacity, their interest, then medical test of the children, how they are acquainted or they are capable to do that type of activities. These things must be kept in our mind. Okay, children. So you see the photograph, that is the photograph of special type of children. Okay. Then objectives of adaptive physical education. What are the objectives? The objectives, 9 objectives are here. It is written. First one is, that is, ensure services to meet special needs. Second, develop motor skills. Third, enhance self images. Fourth, ensure more participation. Fifth, improve physical fitness. Sixth, motivate students to protect themselves. 7, promote sportsmanship quality. 8, develop knowledge of good mechanics. And 9, improve social adjustment. Understand one by one. We will discuss ensure service to meet special needs. Special needs means the main objectives of adaptive physical education is to ensure that it provided with physical education service that meet the unique and special needs of the abled person. Okay, meet the special needs, whatever their need. They are not like a general student, general people. Okay, so they need something special, something special needs are there. So keep it in our mind however we are implementing or taking them in physical activities, this thing must be kept in our mind for special types of need is needed for that type of children. Okay. Then develop motor skills. Motor skills means the main objective of physical education, special type of physical education, okay, or adaptive physical education is to develop the motor skills of students with disabilities. Okay, so motor skills are essential for performing not only their specific task but daily routine activities, daily routine works. Okay, their motor development helps them for their daily routine works. Then enhance self images. Self images means everybody needs to be just increase their name and fame. For that purpose, they want to be just joined everywhere as like as general people. Okay, so for their self interest they join different types of activities, physical activities as like as general student, but specific help is there for them, understand. So they engaged in different types of activities and improve their images, self images. Then ensure participation of students. Ensure more participation. More participation means it is needed for all. Those who are special children or some types of disabilities or disorders are there, the physical benefit or adaptive physical education is must for that must for them or that type of children, understand. So always ensure that and always encourage to that children to just participate more and more creative interest among them, that is called more participation, understand. So motivation power is main thing, motivate them to participate in that type of activities, that type of physical activity program, just to develop their motor skill, to develop their images in the society, and to do all types of work as like as general people, understand. Improve physical fitness, that is the most important objective of adaptive physical education. Whenever they are joined in adaptive physical education or doing any type of activities as per their capacity, they just improve their physical fitness. Okay, gradually day by day the activity or the load of the activity or the workload of the activity that is increased day by day and their fitness will be developed. Then motivate students to protect themselves. Whenever they are engaging in different types of activities, always motivate them, always give them ideas how to protect themselves from any type of accident, understand, because they are not general people, some special types of guidance is needed. So always motivate them how to protect themselves, okay, whenever they are engaging in any type of activities. Then promote sportsmanship quality, that is another thing. The quality of sportsman, that is also increased. How? Because after practicing we are just engage themselves in matches, just taking the two groups or three groups or four groups among them, just take the tournaments or competitions, okay. In this way their sportsmanship quality will be improved, they compete among themselves and the quality will be improved. Develop knowledge of good mechanics. Good mechanics means each and everything, whatever rules and regulations about the machinery things, okay, whatever the instrument they are using during the sports, each and everything, the ideas of that thing is necessary for the students so that they can use it or handle it nicely. Then next one is improve social adjustment. At last, whenever they are fulfill each and every desire, whatever they needs, they are socially adjusted in a nice manner. Okay, they just improve their friendship, their cooperation will be improved, their behavior that is improved. Each and every member of the society wants to help them and they also help to other people. In this way their adjustment will be improved and social adjustment that is also improved. So students, these are the objectives of adapted physical education. Understand? Today we learn what is CWSN and introduction part of CWSN, then objectives of adaptive physical education. Understand? And the coming days we will learn more thing about this chapter, or just continuing this chapter we will learn about organizations promoting adaptive physical education and other things. Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day.